The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Prowers County in southeastern Colorado until 4:45 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northeast of Two Buttes Reservoir, or 23 miles north of Springfield, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Prowers County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.